Okay, now this is a video for how to activate the AUX. If your engine screen after installation no sound, you can set as show. Okay, now first just enter the setting and then about. This is activate AUX, choose, and then choose that one until it show activation successful. Yes, the first time is failed, and then choose it until it successfully. Right. Okay. There is an OBD cable. Please.
OBD.
Yes. That position is the OBD cable. It will add in our power cable, and then this plug need to plug this position as shown right now. Yes, and plug the OBD plug first, and then enter the setting to activate AUX until it show us activated successfully. And then back the main page, enter our original car system. Okay, it show us no AUX. Okay, and then click the media. It show us no AUX. Okay, press these two buttons for a long time. Yes, just click the car button and the setup button. Click them at the same time for a long time. Yes, until it shows us a green page. If you not show you a green page, and try it again. Yes, it will show us like this. And then use your mouse to choose a diagnose one. Yes, write this one, and use your iDrive confirm it. Yes, just like this. And choose the setting, the second one setting. Click it, and then the third one is AMI and AUX. Just enter it. It will show you. It will show you many choice, and you need to choose the AUX AMI BT, no AMI 2 or 8.1. Just choose this one and then confirm. Okay.
确认好之后，要重启系统，3个旋钮，这个3个按键同时按。
And then restart the system. Restart your original car system. Press these 3 buttons at the same time. Yes, the original car system will restart. Okay. The system is restarting now. And then click this button. It will show you. external audio input, and then choose it confirm. Back the Android system to play music. You will have sound.
Okay.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.